What's good everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel mahagurus.com. So in this tutorial we would learn how can we do the top alignments of text in Microsoft Excel. So guys, I would suggest you to please follow each and every steps as I say, and without wasting any time, let's get started. So first you have to select the cell. So you can select a single cell or you can select the multiple of cell. Like here I am selecting A1, for example A1, and just click on home, and in this alignment group you select this top alignment, the left one. It's top alignment, and when you creep your cursor here, then it's clearly mentioned the top alignment. Just click on it. After clicking, the text will go to the top of the cell. Again you can do this the multiple of cell. Like here I am selecting C D E F G H1. Get it? Selecting after, and then click on home, again do the same thing, and you can see the changes guys. So that's all for today. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.